Hello everyone. In this question, we were given a circle with center O. PR is a tangent at Q. PR is a tangent at Q. And PO intersect SQ at V. PO intersect XQ at V. And the question says we should find angle TQP. Angle TQP and angle QTS. QTS. Solution. First, let us consider this triangle OTQ. In triangle OTQ, the sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So we can say angle OQT plus angle OTQ plus angle TOQ equal to 180 degrees, because sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Also, our line OQ and OT is equal to each other because they are the radii of the circle. Since line OQ and OT are equal, we can say triangle OTQ is an isosceles triangle, and the base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. So we can say angle OQT is equal to angle OTQ. In our equation, let us substitute angle OTQ with angle OQT. So we are going to have angle OQT plus angle OQT plus our angle TOQ is 56 degrees. TOQ 56 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle OQT plus angle OQT, we are going to have 2 angle OQT plus 56 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So let us transpose plus 56 degrees to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative. We are going to have 2 multiplied by angle OQT equal to 180 degrees minus 56 degrees. 2 multiplied by angle OQT equal to 124 degrees. To calculate our angle OQT, let us divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. Angle OQT equal to 62 degrees. Angle OQP is 90 degrees because angle between a tangent and a radius of a circle is equal to 90 degrees. So we can say angle OQP equal to 90 degrees. But our angle OQP is equal to angle OQT plus angle TQP. So we can say angle OQT plus angle TQP equal to angle OQP. Angle OQP is 90 degrees. Angle OQT is 62 degrees. So let us substitute them into this equation. 62 degrees plus angle TQP equal to 90 degrees. So let us bring 62 degrees to the right hand side. Angle TQP equal to 90 degrees minus 62 degrees. Angle TQP equal to 28 degrees. So our angle TQP is 28 degrees. So let us find angle QTS. Angle TOQ is equal to 2 multiplied by angle TXQ, because angle at the center twice angle at the circumference. So we can say angle TOQ equal to 2 multiplied by angle TSQ. Angle TOQ is 56 degrees. So let us substitute 56 degrees into this equation. 56 degrees equal to 2 multiplied by angle TXQ. So let us divide both sides by 2. Over 2 over 2. Angle TXQ equal to 28 degrees. So this angle is 28 degrees. Angle QVO is equal to angle TVX because they are vertical opposite angle. Angle QVO equal to angle TVX, which is equal to 109 degrees. Let us consider triangle OVQ, and the sum of their interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle VQO plus angle QVO plus angle VOQ is equal to 180 degrees. Let us substitute angle QVO and angle VOQ. angle VQO is 109 degree and angle VOQ is 56 degree. Angle VQO plus 109 degree plus 56 degree equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose this angle to the right hand side and the positive side will change to negative. So angle VQO equal to 180 degree minus 109 degree minus 56 degree. Angle VQO equal to 15 degree. So this angle is 15 degree. Angle OQT is equal to angle VQO and angle TQS. Angle OQT equal to angle VQO plus angle TQS. Our angle VQO is 15 degree and our angle OQT has already been calculated to be 62 degree. So let us substitute the values into this equation. 62 degree equal to 15 degree plus angle TQX. So transpose this angle to the left hand side. 62 degree minus 15 degree equal to angle TQS. Angle TQX equal to 47 degree. So this angle is 47 degree. Let us calculate angle QTS by considering triangle SQT, and the algebraic sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle QTS plus angle TXQ plus angle TQX equal to 180 degree. Angle TQX is 47 degree. Angle TXQ is 28 degree. So let us substitute them into this equation. Angle QTS plus 28 degree plus 47 degree equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose this to the right hand side. Angle QTX equal to 180 degree minus 28 degree minus 47 degree. Angle QTX equal to 105 degree. So our angle TQP is 28 degree and angle QTX is 105 degree. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more video like this. Thank you.